So we're putting up these two metal sheds, and I wanted to kind of go over it a little bit. If you are going to conquer one of these endeavors, I gotta tell you, it's not that simple, and you want to have two people that know what they're doing, and possibly four. Maybe it'll take you 8 hours. But this is the finished one right here. It's got the doors and all, and I can't believe how strong they are, because when you get the packet, it's 3 boxes. Everything seems so flimsy, but when you get it together and everything united, it just gets really strong. So this is the one we're putting up. I wanted to do the video before we got it done and show you kind of the steps we went through. First, you got to put your rails down on the bottom. The rails go all around the bottom, and then you're going to put your corners up. Your corners go up, and then I would put your top rails up on top. Everything gets screwed in with 2 or 3 screws, and then after that you're going to put in all your wall panels. All your wall panels are going to go in, and inside here there's actually, after you get it up, you're going to put your gable ends on, and there's actually 3 supports here, 1, 2, 3 for your roof. And then the roof panels are going to go on, but you're going to put your roof panels on, and then you got a cap that goes over them that's like 4 feet long. So as you're coming down, you want to put your 4-foot roof cap in, or you're not going to be able to reach it, and I wouldn't recommend standing on the roof on these things. So you're going to want to put your roof cap in as you go. And then when you get to the end, you'll just finish up here. Let me show you the roof cap. This is your roof capping right here. So this goes over top. They're like 4 feet long, but you want to put them in as you go, or you're not going to get them in. And there's an instruction book that comes with it. It's like construction by numbers, and they're usually pretty easy to decipher, but you want to make sure you got your numbers right, and make sure you got all your arrows going together on your rails and stuff. Match up. All your panels will have numbers on them because they have to be a certain distance, so you want to match up all your numbers on the panel. Here's your numbers on the panel. You're going to match these up. See them? They're all different because they're different widths, because you got to make up the 12 or the 10 feet, whatever it is. And we got this one, it was 10 by 12, but it was actually a little over 12 feet. So you want to make sure you measure your rails before you put up your platform. We have 2 platforms here we made out of wood decking platforms. So we had to actually add on to the end because it was like 12.2 or 12.3. And I think that's because they measure in millimeters, and it doesn't really convert directly over to the inches. So make sure you check that out before you do it. But after you get it all done, it's pretty sturdy. So if you're going to build a shed, make sure you check out this video. Thanks.